Ladies and gentlemen, it is a citrus pear sangria. So what? Oh, that's real cute. This one's cute. It's fun. Okay, lemon slices come behind with some pear slices. You drop those in. Nice. And then you follow it up with some citrus vodka. We put a vodka in a lot of our sangrias and some pear vodka because it strengthens it, okay? You don't like strong stuff? I do. We're using Pinot Grigio today, but if you don't have Pinot Grigio, any white wine will do that you like. And then top that with some soda water. Beautiful, okay? Give that a nice stir. Bang, okay? And we are good to go. You let it sit a little while, put it in the fridge to chill, whatever. Pour our mix into the glass, and you are off to the races, my friend. That's right, the citrus pear sangria. Stay tipsy, friends, stay tipsy. That's Bobby and Sheena tasting this magnificent beverage, and it is delish. Later, shucks.